Y'all know it's Easter time, and everybody I know loves deviled eggs. So I'm going to share a recipe, an herbed deviled egg recipe. And you know what? I like my filling to be not skimpy. So what I do is I mash up some of the white and add it to the yolk, and that's helped stretch it. And I got more filling to put in the eggs. How about that? How about that for a treat? And, you can't see it. You can't see it in the yolks, but like I said, it just helps me stretch it because I do not like a skimpy stuffing for my eggs. Okay, so that's that, but I'm going to take one more and I'm going to mash it up and add to it. Make sure I got plenty of fillings. And at Easter time, I don't know if anybody makes real Easter eggs anymore, because I go in the stores and they got all these plastic ones. So I don't know, but for us that balls the eggs and makes real ones, there's no way you can sit down and eat all of those boiled eggs. So you have to find something to do with these eggs. And I will put them in casseroles or devil them, because everybody loves the deviled egg. So we just gonna mash that up good. Mix that white in with our yellow. And you could actually do this in a food processor if you want real smooth. Okay, so I've got mayonnaise, I've got sour cream, I've got dill, and I've got chives. And of course, I've got salt and pepper. And I got a stuffer because I'm going to squirt this into the shell. So that's good. All right, so in with the mayonnaise. In with the sour cream. And I'm going to dice up our chives. I was thinking I needed one more herb. This is
Cilantro?
cilantro. Yeah, we got our cilantro in our. Now you may want to ask. Depends on who you're feeding these deviled eggs to. Like my boys don't like cilantro. They said it tastes like soap, which is I don't get that. But I have heard other people say it reminds them of soap. I don't know. Okay. All right, so now we're gonna our dill. I think dill's real good in deviled eggs. Dill is good in so many things. So you want to chop this up pretty good, because that's a tiny little hole that we have to fill up. So we need to make these a little on the small side. Okie doke. There is so many ways to make deviled eggs, y'all. So many things. And at the Lady and Son store, we carry some of the most wonderful mustards, don't we, Eddie?
Yes, nice.
So you can flavor.
I think we've got a dill mustard, and then we've got a spicy mustard.
And because that looks so white, I may put a little mustard in this. All right, so we need 1 tablespoon. Don't do 1 tablespoon with. Here it is. There's 2 over here. I gotcha. Gotcha. All right, so 1 tablespoon of cilantro, 1 tablespoon of fresh dill, and 1 tablespoon of chives. Okay, there we go. I have to measure that because I can look at that and tell it's a tablespoon. So like I said, we're going to add, oh, look how pretty that is. Just love all those herbs in it. Love. So we're going to need a tablespoon of cilantro. Okay. 1 tablespoon. All right, now we're going to do calls for 1 teaspoon of salt. That's a pretty good bit. So I may not do quite that much. You know what? I think I want fresh ground. I just love the way fresh ground looks because it's bigger. And I can see it, and I like being able to see it. This is so pretty, and the texture is just right. So I don't think I'm gonna put any mustard in it. But I am gonna get this into the piping bag and pipe it on there. And piping bags are easier to handle if you'll roll the top back and put it in a tall enough glass that it will hold your bag up. Ooh, that's good. All right, so I may have to fill my bag twice. That's okay. So you just want to push your devil down to the bottom and then just squirt. Oh. Okay, that's it. So let's see. Do I have some more dill, Therese?
Yes.
Good.
I'm on the counter, hurry.
Wait. Oh, good. So this just lets people know what all's in those eggs. Doesn't that just look tasty, yummy? Delicious, deliciosus. There we go, just that easy. I'm starving. Sorry. This is so delicious. I highly recommend putting in some egg whites. And if I was doing this for company, I'd definitely do it in the food processor to get it real smooth. And I would recommend that you take it back to a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, just in case. But they are delicious. Look at the stuffing. Cut back on the salt. Loving best dishes. Now boil those eggs so the children can find them and bring them to you and make deviled eggs. Or we have a towel that says My chickens. What does our tea towel say? What does it say? My chickens make deviled eggs or something like that. Anyway, it's cute. Love and best dishes and happy Easter, y'all. Yum. Y'all come have one. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.